Christmas, an annual holiday commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed on December 25th. We celebrate Christmas with family. Christmas is a time for giving, sharing, and loving. Festive, reflecting a joyful and celebratory atmosphere. The festive decorations are beautiful. Everyone's in a festive mood. Decoration, objects used to add beauty or festivity. The Christmas decoration is stunning. We decorated the room with lights. Advent, for Sundays before Christmas. We use an Advent calendar. Advent begins in December. Ornament, decorative objects for Christmas trees. We hang ornaments on the tree every year as a family tradition. The delicate glass ornaments sparkled on the Christmas tree. Christmas tree, a decorated evergreen tree, often used as a symbol of Christmas. We bought a real Christmas tree. The tree is beautifully decorated. Wreath, a circular arrangement of flowers, leaves, or other materials. We made a wreath for the door. The wreath is made of evergreen. Candy cane, a sweet treat made of striped peppermint candy. We hung candy canes on the Christmas tree as a fun decoration. The candy cane flavor is a classic holiday treat. Stocking, a long, sock-like container, often hung by the chimney or on a wall. We hung our stockings by the chimney with care. The Christmas stocking was filled with nuts. Holly, a prickly evergreen shrub with bright red berries. We used holly to make a beautiful Christmas wreath. The holly berries added a pop of color to our holiday decor. Poinsettia, a flowering plant with large, brightly colored leaves. We bought a poinsettia plant to decorate our home for Christmas. The poinsettia added a touch of festive color to our holiday decor. Ham, a type of cured meat, often served as the main course for holiday meals. We're having ham for Christmas dinner this year. The glazed ham was a hit at our holiday party. Eggnog, a rich, creamy beverage made with milk, eggs, and sugar. We're serving eggnog at our Christmas party this year. The eggnog was a delicious treat on a cold winter night. Gingerbread, a type of sweetbread made with ginger, cinnamon, and molasses. We made gingerbread cookies for our holiday party. The gingerbread house was a fun and tasty holiday project. Sugar cookies, a type of sweet cookie made with sugar, butter, and flour. We baked sugar cookies for our holiday party. Sugar cookies are festive and fun. Santa Claus, legendary bringer of holiday gifts. We believe in Santa Claus. Santa brings gifts on Christmas. Mrs. Claus, Santa's wife and helper. Mrs. Claus helps Santa with gifts. Mrs. Claus is kind and warm. Elves, mythical helpers of Santa Claus. Elves help Santa make toys. Elves are small and mischievous. Reindeer, animals that pull Santa's sleigh. Reindeer fly through the sky. Reindeer are strong and fast. The Grinch, fictional character who dislikes Christmas. The Grinch hates Christmas cheer. The Grinch is a beloved holiday character. Krampus, mythical creature who punishes naughty children. Krampus is a scary holiday legend. Krampus is the opposite of Santa Claus. Merry Christmas, holiday greeting expressing joy and cheer. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. Festive felicitations. Formal holiday greeting expressing good wishes. We offer festive felicitations to you and your family. Festive felicitations to all our friends. Decorating the tree. Decorating a Christmas tree with ornaments and lights. We decorate the tree every year. Decorating the tree is a holiday tradition. Gift giving. Exchanging gifts with others during the holiday season. Gift giving is a big part of Christmas. We love giving gifts to our loved ones. Cooking holiday meals. Preparing special meals for the holiday season. We cook a big meal for Christmas dinner. Cooking holiday meals is a family tradition. Singing carols. Singing holiday songs, often in a group or choir. We sing carols every year at Christmas. Singing carols is a holiday tradition.